Hi everyone, welcome to my renewed channel. We are going to kick off with these cute Valentine's Day bows. They're only about 3 inches and will work great for every little princess. So for this project, I'm using grosgrain ribbon. We will need 2 pieces 1.5 inch wide and 6.25 inch long. We will also need 7/8 or 1 inch ribbon. I have recently discovered here's designer ribbon and that is what I'm using today. You will need 3 pieces that are 6.25 inch long. Next, you will need 1 piece of ribbon 7/8 or 1 inch by 5.5 inch. And last but not least, 1 piece 7/8 inch wide by 5.25 inch long. You will need 1/4 inch ribbon for the middle, 1 inch bottle cap with image, hair clip, a ponytail holder. Step 1. Take your 1.5 inch ribbon and fold it in half to mark the center and glue both ends in the middle. With the right side facing you, fold it in half like shown in the video. Put a dab of glue in the center and pinch together. Now with the wrong side facing you, fold the sides down and glue them to create a pretty crease. Do the same thing with second piece. Glue 2 parts together to create your base bow. Take your 3 pieces of 7/8 inch ribbon, fold them in half and glue both ends to the center like we did with the pink ribbon. Now we need to glue these pieces together, forming sort of a pinwheel bow. In the remaining two pieces, glue the ends together in the center and glue two details together with a smaller one on top. Next, glue three parts of the bow together. Grab the clip and attach it to the bow. Take 1/4 inch ribbon and glue it around the center. All that left is to glue my plastic cap with a matching image, and this cute little bow is done. Isn't it adorable? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Stay tuned because more videos are coming soon. Check out the community tab. I will post a picture of upcoming projects there in a few days. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.